Hi, my name is Nick, Sales Manager with Safety Track. Today we're going to be doing an overview of our mobile DVR solution, ST-401 and 801. DVR, as you can see, is very small, compact. Typical placement inside the vehicle is in a glove box or behind a panel. Houses 2 SD cards for storage capability up to 1 terabyte. Indicator lights. This is our 801, so we see 8 pigtails off of the back. 401 has 4. Audio and video capability. One unique feature about our DVR is parking mode, which when the driver turns off the ignition in the vehicle, the device will continue to record, remain on, for a period of time of your choice. We have up to 5 camera options that can be attached to the vehicle, so if you can envision one on the windshield, one facing the driver, one in a cargo area, side views, rear views, the sky's the limit. Several accessories that can also be attached to the DVR: monitors for visual aids, lockbox to increase the security of your DVR, SOS button in the event of emergency, and a microphone. This DVR is capable on our CMS interface to give you live streaming capability, remote playback, GPS tracking. For more information on this DVR and our other camera systems, visit our website at safetytrack.com.